Today we're driving our newest truck that we just came off the line, taking it out for the first bit of miles on it, get a feel for it, see how this tune's doing, getting to see how the transmission and this motor, the LT1 that we have in it, the 8-speed transmission, how that one's responding. We've been just going through them lately, making sure that everything's working correctly with them, checking the tunes, and then they all change around a little bit as we go through the test miles. And I'm also taking it out and I'm getting to listen for it. Right now I have the windows up, I'm listening for all the wind noise in it, if we have any, which this one seems pretty good. And then I'm also going to take it over some bumpy road. I'm going to listen to it, listen for vibrations, make sure everything's good. And I'm also getting a feel for the seating position. We've changed up a few things in it. This truck's running a set of Corvo Trailcats, so I'm getting a feel for how it's going to be most comfortable for a new customer, especially driving one of these. And then I'm also listening to the suspension, listening to the engine, making sure we don't have any weird sounds, strange noises coming from it, so that we can work it off in our QC process. I'm also looking now at just the electronics, checking the windows, making sure everything's working properly, because we put it in there and sometimes everything needs a little bit of fine tuning just to get it 100% right, especially in a custom truck when we're putting in all these options that the customers desire. We don't stop at anything to make sure that everything's going to function correctly and work properly as we get into the final stages of the build, and then also before we deliver it to the customer, making sure that everything's functioning the way it should. Right now I can definitely feel a little bit of a tune issue, but we're working that one out. Other than that, the suspension sounds good. I'm not getting any wind noises. I hear a little noise coming over my left shoulder, and I'm going to take a look at that when I stop next, see if I can figure out exactly what's causing it so I can get that taken care of before it goes to the customer. I'm going to put it through its paces. I'm going to push on it a little bit and really listen to what the LT1's producing and what this truck's made of, and that'll give me a better sign of what's going to be to come, especially in a customer's hands when they take it and they drive it on the highway and on the main road.